welcome back to another video. My name is Ebon, and if it's your first time here, you're welcome. I hope you subscribe before you leave. And if you're a returning watcher and you've not subscribed to my channel, this thing is completely free. I mean, it's just a button. And make sure you hit the bell as well, so you know when I post new videos. Please like this video if you do like the video. It helps grow my channel. Yeah. And today's video is going to be all about this hair install. It's my lazy 5 minutes quick and easy curly hair install. I think you can actually use this for not just curly hair but any other straight hair, whatever wig you have. You can use this method. It's very easy. I only use my Echo Styler and the Got2b black gel for the edges, just to give you a little bit of hold. It's completely glueless, you guys. You get back home from wherever you went to and then take off your wig. No need for water, no need for all that drama. It's very easy. The key to a glueless wig is actually the elastic band or the combs that's attached to it. As long as it's snug and it fits you, like not the one that'll give you headache, but like it's firm, you're good to go. Just follow this process and I hope you do like this video. If you're interested, keep watching and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye! So I'm switching to a voiceover so I can talk you guys through how I achieve my install. So right now I'm just fitting the wig, like wearing the wig to fit, adjusting it where it needs to be adjusted. And what I'm going to do next is just to lay my edges with my Echo Styler gel. Yeah. So I took a little bit of the Echo Styler gel after I did my edges and just, you know, rub it through the hair. Meanwhile, the only product I put on my hair right now is I spread it with water and then I put Echo Styler. That's all. Kind of wanted to have that wet look, but not too wet, just a little bit. Now I took this elastic band. I'm just going to use that to round my edges to add a little bit of pressure so that, you know, it can be laid and look so natural. I added just a tiny bit of this Got2b gel just on the edges to give you a bit of hold. Like I said earlier, all you need for a glueless wig install, as long as the wig elastic band is strong enough or it has a good firm, you're good to go. I just laid my edges, tied it down with this elastic band as you'd see, and that was it. Wait for 5 minutes and yeah, that's it.
5 minutes later.
This method is so easy and so convenient for me. Like, look at that edges. What? Just look at that, and that's all. That's like literally all I did. I'm just going to adjust it because, you know, tying with the elastic band would have made the back kind of flat a bit, so just adjust it and that is all. That is all, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have questions, comments, leave them down below and I'll be sure to answer them. If you have video suggestions, let me know. What, girl? Thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. I'll see you guys in my next one. Just enjoy this, what do I call this display on your screen. Bye.